Hey guys, it's Kevin from Cruising with Wheels, and today we're going to weed through celebrity drink packages. So I have my coffee and my notes, and we're going to get right to it because I know you all want the information that you need to make a wise choice selecting which beverage package you might desire. So the first bit of information that we have for you today, it goes to all of the drink packages. So let's take a look at what the restrictions are. All prices listed are subject to change. There's an 18% service charge that will be added to soda, wine, water, classic and premium packages. Package prices may reflect an additional tax for certain ports or itineraries. Packages are sold per cruise, not per day, so keep that in mind. There will be no refunds issued for unused credits. Packages may not be shared and do not include beverages sold in gift shops, mini bars, or with room service. Purchased packages may be modified up to 4 days prior to sailing by either canceling and reordering. Cancellations and refunds will not be issued on board the ship after embarkation day. And as always, you must be at least 21 years old to purchase any alcoholic package and consume alcohol. So let's talk about the first package that Celebrity Cruises offers. It's called the Premium Package. It's $65 per person per day. And it includes vodka, gin, tequila, whiskey, rum, cordials, and cognacs, beer, wine, and non-alcoholic drinks such as soda, juice, coffee, tea, water, and Red Bull. Now you want to select the premium package if you think you're going to be drinking those types of drinks, and the value is up to $13. You will be eligible for $20 off bottled wine. So if you want to purchase a bottle of wine at dinner, you'll get 20% off of that. And there is a list of all the brand liquors on Celebrity's website, and I will link that in the description below. The next package that Celebrity offers is the Classic Package. Now the Classic Package is $55 per day per person. It includes vodka, gin, tequila, whiskey, rum, cordials and cognacs, beer and wine, and non-alcoholic drinks such as soda, juice, coffee, tea, water, and Red Bull. Now you might be asking, what's the difference between the premium package and the classic package? It's very simple. The value of the drinks are decreased. So you're only eligible to purchase drinks that are up to $9 a piece with the classic package. And again, there's a list of the brands of liquors that they have on their ships on their website. The next package that they have to offer is the standard package. Now the standard package is $45 per day per person, and it includes well spirit brands, select wines, and bottled water. So if you just drink well drinks, that's the package for you. I mean, you'd save a bunch of money The next category of packages that Celebrity Cruise Lines offers to their guests pretty much surrounds wine. So we're going to delineate them as wine packages. The first would be called the Premium Wine Package. And with the Premium Wine Package, you get 3, 5, or 7 bottle selection. The price starts at $149 and will go up from there, depending on how many bottles of wine you select. And Celebrity offers a superb collection of wines for that discerning palate, and you may mix in wines from the Classic package if you'd like, and we're going to talk about the Classic package in a second. The pricing for the premium package does reflect up to a 15% off savings from the price list, the regular price list, if you were to purchase these bottles of wine individually. The second wine package that Celebrity Cruise Lines offers is called the Classic Wine Package. And again, you get to select from 3, 5, or 7 bottles of wine. Those packages start at $109 and go up from there. Now, what you'll get to choose from in the Classic versus the Premium is in the Classic package, they only offer a selection of wines from places like New Zealand and Argentina. It's going to be a more limiting selection of wines for you to choose from. And with the Classic Wine Package, you're basically saving 10% off the regular price of a bottle of wine. So if you were to purchase these wines individually, it would be 10% more. So there is a value here. And the third and final package that Celebrity has to offer within their wine packages is very interesting. It's called the Build Your Own Wine Package. So it says it all. Basically, you get to select 3 or more bottles that are valued at $75 each or more. And you'll receive a 15% discount overall. So I believe that if you're a wine drinker and you don't think that, say, on a 7-day cruise, you're going to go through 5 or 7 bottles of wine, maybe the answer is to get package number 3, which is the Build Your Own Wine Package. And then you can choose 3 bottles and get 15% off. The final category of drink packages that Celebrity Cruise Lines offers is the non-alcoholic drinks packages. Now, there happen to be 4. The first would be your premium non-alcoholic package. That starts at $22 per person per day and includes bottled water from Avion, Perrier, and San Pellegrino, specialty coffees, teas, non-alcoholic frozen drinks, smoothies, Red Bull energy drinks, coconut water, and vitamin waters, plus add in any classic non-alcoholic package items, which will bring us to the second, which is called the classic non-alcoholic package. Those start at $18 per person per day and includes your favorite Coca-Cola products, juices, premium coffees, teas, and bottled water. So if you think that you just want sodas and coffees and teas and bottled waters, by all means, select the classic non-alcoholic package. It's $18 per person per day. I think it's a good value. But if you would like to add in, specialty waters like the Pellegrinos and, the frozen drinks that are non-alcoholic, then bump it up and go with the premium. The third package that they offer is for all our soda drinkers. That's right, it is the soda package. And it starts at $9 per person per day. It's a competitive price within the cruise industry. And what they include is both fountain and canned sodas. Selections include new and popular flavors as Coke Zero, Barks Root Beer, Sprite Zero, and caffeine-free Diet Coke, to name a few. Now, I know quite a few soda drinkers would love to get the soda package. They drink soda all day long. We don't really drink soda in our house, so we would probably skip the soda package. And I also know that there are die-hard Pepsi fans out there. So keep in mind that Celebrity Cruise Lines only has Coca-Cola products. Last but not least, within the non-alcoholic drink packages would be our last drink package that we have from Celebrity Cruise Lines, and that would be their premium bottled water package. Now this starts at $16 per person per day, and what it'll include is unlimited bottles of still or sparkling premium water such as Avion, Aquapana, San Pellegrino, and Perrier. So with all Celebrities drink packages, it's very easy. All you have to do is purchase it either ahead of time through celebrity.com, your travel agent, or you can purchase these drink packages while you're on board. We do suggest that you purchase them the first day to take advantage of the whole entire cruise having that drink package, because you're going to be charged if you buy it day 2 for the whole cruise. Once you've purchased your package, all you have to do is present your C-Pass to any bartender or lounge or restaurant to avail yourself of that drink package. It will show up on your bill, but what it's going to show up as is $0 because you have the drink package. If you're not familiar with the terminology of C-Pass, it is what we always refer to as Sail and Sign card, or other lines refer to it as Sail and Sign. It's basically a little card like a credit card, and it's your room key, it's your identification, and it's basically your charge card while you're on board, because the only place that uses cash on a cruise ship is in the casino. So I hope this has helped you a little bit to understand what is included and how much all the Celebrity drink packages are. I want to remind everybody that there is an 18% service charge added on to most of these packages. And since you've already prepaid those gratuities through the service charge, you don't have to tip the bartenders if you don't want to. We generally do once or twice, a few times throughout the cruise, to show some goodwill. And I want to remind everybody to travel safe and cruise often.